today I've got an unboxing from KewbzUK. Here we have the MoYu AoYan Skewb. It's got that nice magnetic box. Here we've got an accessories box. I think in here ought to be the dimpled centre caps. Yeah, you can see down there it's got some extra magnets. Some cards, pamphlet, screwdriver and the dimpled centre caps. Okay, so here is the cube itself. You can see it's a flat-faced cube, unlike the concave design of the wingy. So yeah, let's go into first turns. So the box is quite clicky, you can definitely hear the magnets. It's not too dry, which I like. It seems to be locking up a little bit, but I think a bit of tension can sort that. I don't feel my grip suffers from not having a concave design. But anyway, let's try the dimpled centre caps. Okay, so these are the dimpled centre caps on now. They feel a bit weird, they're not like the concave design for the wingy, it's like, doesn't quite feel right. I think if I do use these, they will take a bit of getting used to, but I'm definitely not against the idea of them. The shades look very nice as well, they seem to contrast well, they're very bright. The magnets are also quite clicky, you can definitely hear them, I don't think they're glued in place. They're not too strong either, they seem about the strength of the wingy. I'll put the wingy here. Yeah, maybe a little bit stronger. But the stand looks quite nice, it's the same kind of design as the GTS3. Seems to be quite fast as well, about the same sort of speed as the wingy. So yeah, that's my unboxing of the MoYu AoYan Skewb. Thanks for watching.